Hi, in this video we will be seeing how to use FutureBuilder in an application. So why do we need FutureBuilder? Basically we need FutureBuilder because we don't know what data we'll be having in the future. So we just use the FutureBuilder as a function, FutureBuilder, to call the function which will return us the future value. For the time being, we will just use the variables and the data will be filled later on. And if suppose some error occur, it will return us a snapshot with an error. So we can check and we can give an error to our screen. So widget FutureBuilder is a widget that builds itself based on the latest snapshot. Snapshot is basically what the function will return of interaction with the future. Future is the function which we will be calling. So future is the function which we will be calling and which will return the snapshot, So let's begin with coding, the hands-on, like how to integrate FutureBuilder in an application. So basically what we will do, we need to use we need to show when we request to a server and we get the perfect 200 response code, then we need to show the list view builder. This screen we should show, and otherwise we will be showing there is a server error and server under maintenance. So for this we'll use FutureBuilder over here, FutureBuilder dot FutureBuilder. Then we call it over here, we'll be calling a future. As I said, future is the function. So this is a function future will be calling. So let's create a function fetch post, and let's create function of a fetch post. So it's a async function. We want this to work in asynchronous. Fetch post. Sorry. Over here, the parenthesis will be on this side. I made a mistake. Async, correct. Now we have got the future over here. Let's cut this first, or maybe we can comment it and we will uncomment it afterwards. So let's comment it first, and this is where our row is ending. Till here we were returning this FutureBuilder. Yeah, till here we need to comment. Yeah, commented the perfect comment, the FutureBuilder. This is like future is the function which we're calling, and we'll get a snapshot from over here. So what we'll do, we'll use builder over here. So we have used future, now we'll use builder. Builder will be used to build the UI which we need to show. So we'll do builder build the context. So just to pass the context, and then async snapshot. Yeah. Then snapshot is basically what our function will return. If it shows it's a successful result, we will show the UI, otherwise it will show like server under maintenance. And we don't have we have three cases. Suppose we don't have any result yet. That will be the case when the app is just opened and there is no data inside it. Then what it should show, that will be first. So we'll check if snapshot equals snapshot.data is equals to null, then it should show circular progress bar. So container. So what I will do, I will make a container and I will center the circular container, child center, and then child circular progress bar, circular progress indicator. Perfect. And then yeah, so this is one of the case when we don't have any data on our screen, so we should show the circular data. When it's null, then we show the circular progress indicator. Then we check else if snapshot data is not equals to null. Then there's one more condition: when snapshot data is not equals to null, means something which we have got from the function is not equals to null. And here we will show, then we'll check if we will returning from the, sorry, I have placed it in the wrong place, control X. So snapshot.data is not equals to null. When it's not equals to null, I will check the snapshot.data is snapshot.data is equals to sorry for inconvenience I hope convenience enc sorry for inconvenience server under maintenance. Server under maintenance. If the function is written in this, then we have to return container with child center, and then we need to show the what we are returning, child text, and what we have returned, the snapshot of data. Sorry, snapshot dot data. And now yep. And if this is not, means we have successfully got the result, and we'll show the UI. So over here we will return our list view builder, what we have to show when the result is successful. So I will just cut this and paste it over there. Yep, I think this I remove. I feel it's pretty working right now. So what's happening? Sorry for inconvenience. So what I have done, I used a FutureBuilder, and in future I'm calling a fetch post function, which will return what I'm getting from what I'm getting when I am doing HTTP request. If this data is null, then we need to know circular progress bar. This will be a condition when the user just opens an app. Then if the snapshot of data is not equal to null, we'll check if I am sending from the function sorry for inconvenience server under maintenance, then I need to show the text in between in the center is that. Otherwise, this is not a condition, means we have successfully called the result, and then I will show the list view.build over here. This is how it will work. Let's try and execute it. Right now we haven't defined the fetch post function, but still it will give some result. It will show us the circular progress indicator over here, and I'll be putting this code on the GitHub, the initial commit, which you can just clone it and start working on the FutureBuilder directly itself. So it will be easier for you rather than copying the whole UI again. Be easier for you to build. And I haven't explained in the weather API.dart class because in just previous 3 videos, like we have done this part only. So you can directly go through this. It's pretty easy, like there's nothing much, like I've already explained like how the things are working, how we call the classes, how we make the list of class. So everything is pretty similar, so I didn't explain much. And main.dart is same. This is, I already explained you like how the dart is, how I designed everything. So let's wait for it to execute. and show up on the screen. The next video we'll be making the fetch post function, then we'll be having a full data. So yeah, as we can see, like we haven't defined the fetch post function, so it's not returning anything. So for time being, the snapshot is null. That's why we can just see the circular progress bar. In the next video, I will be making a fetch post function where I will teach you how to make a HTTP request. Thank you.